Good morning, my dear children. Today we will do reverse counting in maths. Do you know what is reverse counting? Reverse counting means जब एक बड़े नंबर से जब हम छोटे नंबर पे आते हैं, that is reverse counting. रिवर्स काउंटिंग में सबसे पहले बेटे बड़ा नंबर होता है, फिर उससे छोटा एंड सो ऑन. बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग इज द अदर नेम फॉर रिवर्स काउंटिंग. रिवर्स काउंटिंग को बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग भी कहा जाता है. लेट मी शो यू सम एग्जांपल्स. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस? यस, यू आर राइट. दिस इज अ कैटरपिलर. This caterpillar is having so many numbers on its body. Come, let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you tell me what I did just now? मैम ने अभी क्या किया? I have done forward counting, जिसको आप सिंपल काउंटिंग कहते हो. सिंपल काउंटिंग आप ऐसे ही करते हो ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, राइट? बट इन रिवर्स काउंटिंग वी काउंट फ्रॉम बिग नंबर टू स्मॉल नंबर. लाइक we will do it right now. Let's do it with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ये मैम ने क्या किया अभी? I did reverse counting. मैम ने रिवर्स में नंबर्स को काउंट किया. Let's do it once more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Children, see, here is Chiku and here is Miku. Chiku is saying that he knows the simple counting. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But he is very sad as he don't know how to do reverse counting. But his friend Miku is telling him that don't worry, I will teach you. Come with me. So let us see what the friends do. Both the friends decided to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See? Both are sitting here. Now, Miku will teach Chiku how to go down. Chiku asked Miku to sit here and watch carefully what he is going to do. So, let us see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Miku taught us how to do reverse counting. Now let us see. Chiku is able to do reverse counting or not. Chiku, come on. Let's do it for us. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Wow! See, he's so happy after learning the reverse counting. Now, what we learnt from them? We learnt from them that counting from big number to the small number is reverse counting. बड़े नंबर से जब हमने छोटे नंबर को काउंट किया, that is reverse counting. Yes, my dear children. Beta, write down date 9.8.21 and write down day, that is Monday. Now, beta, every one of you write down the heading of reverse counting 30 to 1. Okay. Now bete, leave this whole line. Now let us start with the reverse counting. We are to start reverse counting from 3030. Okay. Now let us start. Write down here 3030. Now, before writing here anything, first you have to think that what comes before 30. 30 से पहले क्या आता है? 29. Very good. So write down here 29. Now again, what comes before 29? 28. Good. 28. Before 28, 27. Good children. Now 26. 25. 24. 23. 22. अब 22 से पहले क्या आएगा बेटू? 21. Very good. 21. Now बच्चे leave this line. What comes before 21? 21 से पहले क्या आएगा? 2020. Yes. Now write down here 2020. अच्छा 20 से पहले क्या आएगा? 1919. Good children. 1919. Now 18. 17. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12. Beta, what comes before 12? 11. Yes. So write down 11. Now again leave this line. What comes before 11? 11 से पहले क्या आता है? 10. Good. Write down here 10. 10 से पहले 9. Yes. Don't put a 0 here with 9. Okay? Before 9, 8. Yes, come on, speak up. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Very good. See? Reverse counting was up to 1. So we have finished. Don't put 0 here. Okay, beta? Don't forget this thing. Now you all have to write reverse counting in your notebooks in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Thank you, beta. Bye-bye.